Who sleeps on top of? No, no one. Before I sleep there, top, and then one my friend is here, and now I'm alone here, so I sleep here, and no one sleep there. I just put my other things there at the top. It's a struggle also when I'm going down, when I'm going to pee at night, and with your eyes like can't open because you're so sleepy, and then I always struggle going down there at the stair. So yeah, I didn't sleep up there, just here, because it's easy for me to go to the toilet. Hello, my friend Wawan. Your body match tattoo. Cool. Yes, I have more tattoo already. I have like 12, and I want more very soon. Sana doon ako sa taas ng kama para sa pool lahat. Yakis. What part of Philippines are you in? I'm here in Manila right now. I live in Chinatown. I'm here in Manila, Chinatown. Lord, 18 million in the house. Shut up. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Sorry, it's not morning here, it's evening. It's 9:33 in the evening here. Ah, I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Do you have a cat? Yes, I have a cat. We have two cats here, white and black. Tell us about your tattoos. What are they? And they are. No, some